So any examples of instances where we've used custom machine learning models or synthetic data to solve a challenge for a client where an off-the-shelf tool did not help?
So we love off-the-shelf tools, but off-the-shelf tools are only as good as the data you feed it. And so I think these are really two different questions. One, how do you supplement an off-the-shelf tool? I think it's pretty standard way. I think everyone in our field is going to answer the same way. Off-the-shelf tool is going to provide you answers based on how the model was trained, based on the internet at large. It's going to give very generic answers that are unaware of your business. And so the challenge to using these off-the-shelf tools is to train them up on your business using techniques like RAG and so forth. And that's where we would come in and help, integrate these tools. And that's a standard, like with any systems integration company. There, you buy a tool, you integrate it into your business, you'll pull your business data in. AI has a version of that, and we do that AI system integration. And the second part, synthetic data. Well, a lot of what we do here, this is around optimization and decision making, automated decision making. And so, for instance, in the ad tech side of our business, every process comes down trying to leverage the data a company has to get a competitive advantage, to know what kinds of things to bid on, to choose the right price, to make a credit decision, etc. These are the kinds of optimization problems we're always working with. The challenge, in some cases, the data we are working with is highly, highly sensitive. Classic example, healthcare patient data. You need to be very careful how you use that data, even anonymized, of course. But even once you have all the I's dotted, all the T's crossed, you're not going to want to start slinging that data around to lots and lots of people. And so the next step is, hey, the engineers working on these kinds of problems are probably not people you want even seeing this data in the first place. And that's where synthetic data generation comes in, where you can sort of analyze the data you have, generate completely meaningless data that has the same internal structure so that you can create models that have the same behavior, but based on effectively nonsense. And, with any, as a company which has, engineers in the US and then engineers scattered around the world, that becomes very, very useful.